Namaskar. Thank you for calling me, making me to communicate to you, young, bright brains. I'm an old man, 62 years old, and I am from South Madrasi, from a village. The village name only Madrasis can tell it full. It's around 28 kilometers further south of Coimbatore. I'm happy to tell you that I am from a village. In fact, I tell, fortunately, I am from a village and I am fortunately son of poor parents. Why I tell this is the concoction of poverty plus village makes a very powerful start in life. My mother did not have income in home because my father was neither an employee nor an employer. 2 buffaloes, 10 liters milk a day, 70 rupees a week, and with that money she ensured that all her children were Madras University graduates and Mumbai University postgraduate. I think that's the true power of a mother. 78 I was a graduate. I can write a book of 500 pages on what all I did to become a graduate. But Coimbatore, known for entrepreneurial aroma, did not give me a job only because they all wanted only candidates with experience. 1978, May month I finished my exam, and June month in the interview they are asking for experience. So, friends, in 1978 itself I took a decision. If I one day run a company, I will take only freshers, I won't take experienced. And I'm very proud to tell I have so far employed 10,000 freshers. और गांव गरीब किसान ये इलेक्शन रैली नहीं है. गांव से आया गरीब होगा, किसान की बेटा होगा, हमारा कंपनी में इंटरव्यूज नहीं होते हैं. तो कोयम्बतूर मुझे नकारा. I was refused. So I boarded in 1982, August 18. S9 coach, berth number 41, Jayanti Janata Express, Kanyakumari to Mumbai. I boarded at Coimbatore and landed in VT railway station. No one to receive using a smartphone, and I had 500 rupees in 5 different locations to escape from any pickpocket. And I want all of you to understand, I slept 3 nights in VT railway platform. Success in life is delta. Delta is equal to x2 minus x1. X2 is where you are today. X1 was where you were that day. So for me, railway platform was my starting point. Fortunate, I came for an interview with the BARC. It was in August, pouring monsoon, 10 vacancies. They had called for 100 candidates interview, and only 12 came in because of too much of rain. So rain God helped me to get through that tough interview. So Lady Luck smiled at me when I was 24 years old. That was in 1982. Job given was thyroid testing. I was asked where is thyroid, and I did not know where thyroid was. I want all of you to keep in your mind. In 1982, I did not know where thyroid was. And in 1992, I finished a PhD in thyroid biochemistry. And in 2002, I run world's largest thyroid testing laboratory. I'm known for punchlines, and let me give you my punch. If you do what you have studied, you will survive. If you do what you have studied, you will survive. But if you do what you have not studied, you will be the leader. So that's how my journey starts. Wonderful institute, Baba Atomic Research Center, the best of research facilities. I was good to my boss, and my boss was extremely good to me. Very often we blame the boss. You give the best, he returns you much more. I came to Mumbai only with a BSc Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics. My boss gets me to do MSc in Biochemistry in Mumbai University. He gets me to do PhD in Biochemistry in Mumbai University. Wow, never dreamt of. Great job, great fun, with great additional qualifications. Got married. My wife was working with State Bank of India, and I got 2 children. And I became 37 years old very fast. And it was a comfort zone, 5 days a week, every government facility, including great campus to live, great hospital, great schools, colleges for children. No one will dream to leave the premises. Somewhere my mindset, comfort zones are danger zones. अपने आप से पूछा था कि जीने आया या जीतने आया. जीना तो कोयम्बतूर में जी सकता था. बड़ा होना है या बुढ़ा होना है. बुढ़ा तो सरकार नौकरी में जल्दी होते हैं. बड़ा बनना है तो रिस्क लेना है. So keeping all this in my mind, in 1937 I took a decision without even discussing with my wife and quit my job. In life, either you can discuss or you can decide. You can't do both. If you discuss, you can't take a decision, especially with family members. If you discuss, you can't take a decision. You have to take a decision. There is nothing known as good decision. There is a decision, and make it good. So that was my risk-taking appetite, and I resigned my government job. I didn't discuss with my wife. In the night, 2 o'clock, I declared to my wife, today I have resigned my job. She got annoyed that I didn't discuss. She said, if you don't go to office, even I will not go. Trust me. She was working with State Bank of India. Why you need 2 salaries? One is enough. I took the risk, and my wife wanted me. She literally threatened me in the middle of the night that if I don't go, she also won't go. But I am a Salman Khan. I don't take my decisions back. So I stuck to my decision. Trust me, both of us gave great jobs. One is government job, another is bank job. And we took risk. It's very important for all of you in life to take risk when it is appropriate to take that risk. Well, there is no money to do business, but I don't think you need money to do business. You need courage and stamina to do business. You have to have patience. You should not try to become a billionaire before you see your father-in-law. You should try to become a billionaire before you see your son-in-law. This is my punchline. No brand in hand. You start a Madrasi doing business in Bombay. Very difficult. And Mumbai only Marwadis and Gujaratis can do business, I was told. And a scientist becoming entrepreneur. Yeah, Madrasi becoming a national brand. Wow, all odds were against. There was no godfather, no politician support. My father did not know ABCD. He did not ever try to do business in his life. Trust me, if you have focus, if you have stamina, if you have courage, and if you have patience, you can exactly do what I have done. In 1995, 2 lakh rupees in hand. And trust me, today the company is worth 5,000 crore. A great journey, but you should not think that it is a kind of magic of PC Sarkar. It's everything logics. Everything went in right direction. In BARC, I was entrusted a job of making thyroid reagents indigenously. Means अभी तो हम कहते हैं आत्मनिर्भर, मेक इन इंडिया, ये शब्द नहीं थे, लेकिन in 1990 itself we were trying to make reagents to do thyroid testing. And I had observed thyroid testing reagent cost is 1/5 compared to imported reagent. Then I thought there is a business for me. Why should I not leave job? And I started disrupting the market with 1/5 of the raw material cost and completely change the industry, diagnostic industry, specifically thyroid testing industry. I also created a wonderful business model. Without a business model, you just can't. Great business you can't do. I am from Coimbatore. There is a eatery called Annapurna in Coimbatore, and this gentleman in 1975 itself had a single kitchen, 10 restaurant in city of Coimbatore. So what we call today cloud kitchen, he knew that time itself and mint $1 billion. I am the first man to introduce a cloud kitchen concept in diagnostic laboratory, because where patient blood is collected is a restaurant, where test is done is a kitchen. So I thought, why not I replicate kitchen restaurant model? Trust me, today I have got 10 kitchens and I have got 10,000 restaurants in the country who do the job of collection. I do the job of testing. You can't expect a Madrasi to do business in Punjab or Odisha. We have to have a local man, local face, local understanding, local culture. So I created a franchisee concept. I told him, you keep 60%, you give me 40%. This was not industry norm. Industry norm is you keep 20%, you give me 80%. Punchline here is, जो कम लेता है उसको ज्यादा ही मिलता है. Trust me, gentlemen, I'm a mathematics man. I knew costing. That means I knew pricing. If you know costing and if pricing is right, you are the most powerful man. Trust me, you need focus, you need stamina. I have never borrowed in my life. My mother had never borrowed. My company has never borrowed, only because money cannot solve problem. Money becomes one more problem. Business needed IT, HR, logistics. I mastered them and scaled up very fast. Don't take jet into highway. Don't take your Mercedes into runway. If your business can be scaled up, scale it up as fast as possible. Volumes came. Volumes gave lot of advantages, and I have built a wonderful brand, most powerful brand. Today, if the business is worth 5,000 crore, the brand is 2,500, the business is 2,500 crore. As I was introduced, we went for a private equity dilution in 2010, all on my terms. I tell a rate, it happens. In IPO, I told a rate, it happened. I got subscribed 75 times. And the market cap, it got listed at 3,300 crore. I was told I'm having a limited time to speak, but before I say bye, let me tell you, I owe all my success to two ladies. And one was my mother, who kept my intestine alive until I was 25 years old, and then handed over to my wife. Both these ladies are no more. I lost my wife for a pancreatic cancer just 5 years back. We lived happily for 30 years. She was the mother of the brand Thyrocare. She made me scientist, entrepreneur, storyteller. She taught me Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati. She made me MSc, PhD, and also an entrepreneur. So I owe all my success to these two ladies. I see plenty of girls sitting in front of me, and plenty of boys who must be having sisters, mothers. Trust me, women are very powerful. Empower women. If men are successful, families prosper. If women are successful, societies prosper. Before I leave, I want to give you guys only 4 words to remember for my talk on this day. One is focus. If you don't focus, you can't learn. So first is focus. Then is learn. Because if you don't learn, you can't grow. So focus and learn. Grow, because without growing, you can't enjoy. So focus, learn, grow, and enjoy. I thank the organizers for giving me an opportunity to address the young and bright brains and minds of India. Thank you very much.